Recently, you must have heard a lot about AI. AI in phones, AI in TV, AI in cars. Now, despite being commercially available for some time now, people are still confused about what exactly is AI. In this video, we are explaining this technology and more importantly, what can it actually do. Don't worry, no tech language here. We'll use a simple language. Imagine teaching a super smart robot how to think and learn, just like us. That's pretty much what AI is. In layman's words, AI computers को सोचने और सीखने की ability देता है. It uses information and it can be programmed for specific tasks. It's about training machines to recognize patterns, make decisions, and even understand our language. जैसे हम पढ़ाई लिखाई करके सीखते हैं, चीज़ों को देखकर सीखते हैं, AI भी वैसे ही इंटरनेट पर अवेलेबल इंफॉर्मेशन से सीखता है. Think of it this way. When you see a cat, your brain instantly recognizes it as a cat. You have learned it from seeing many cats. AI systems are trained in a similar way by being shown lots of examples, lots of pictures of cat until they start recognizes the cat by themselves. Now, where do we see AI in action? Everywhere. Your smartphone. When you ask your phone a question, that's AI at work. Understanding your voice and finding information. Online shopping. Ever notice how websites recommend products you might like? That's AI analyzing your past purchases and browsing habits. Streaming services. जिससे शॉपिंग में होता है, वैसे ही OTT प्लेटफॉर्म्स AI यूज करके मूवीज एंड शोज रेकमेंड करते हैं. सेल्फ ड्राइविंग कार्स. These futuristic vehicles use AI to see the road, understand the traffic, and make decisions in real time to get you safely from point A to point B. Healthcare. AI is helping doctors analyze medical images like X-rays to detect diseases earlier than before and make accurate decisions. It can even assist in developing new medicines. Customer service. When you chat with a chatbot on a website, you are interacting with an AI designed to answer your questions quickly and efficiently. The possibilities with AI are truly endless. What can it be used for? The answer is almost everything that involves processing information and making intelligent decisions. So, from recommending your next favorite show to helping us explore new frontiers, AI is rapidly transforming our world. It's not just about robots taking over. It's about powerful tools that can assist us, empower us, and help us solve some of humanity's biggest challenges. और अगर आपको ये वीडियो अच्छा लगा हो तो लाइक एंड सब्सक्राइब टू आवर चैनल.